When we are writing expressions, we need to take a look at what the words are telling us. A number increased by 5. I need to highlight some of those important words. First important word is a number. A number is going to tell us that we don't know an exact value for that, so we are going to use a letter. In this case, I'll use the letter X. The next thing I need to look at is this phrase in the middle, increased by. That phrase right there is going to tell me what operation we're going to be using. In this case, increased by is going to tell us to add. So my operation is addition. So now I have a number increased by, and then the very last thing that we look at is this number right here at the very end, which is 5. So this phrase, a number increased by 5, becomes the expression X plus 5.
7 less than a number. A number is X.
Why are you saying that the 3 goes on this side?
Less than means minus. And then it would be X minus 7. Because we're taking that number minus in 7.
So
we're taking what?
We're taking 7, take away from that number.
3 more than twice a number.
What do you see in there? What's it telling you?
2.
What does this mean right here?
To multiply by 2.
Okay, show me what that looks like. Okay, now what? These words, what are these words right here? What are those words?
To add.
To add, okay. Okay, so this, read that to me.
2 times.
That's a letter, so
2x plus 3
is
3 more than twice a number.
4 decreased by the quotient of a number and 7. You start with 4 and then decreased by means to minus. The quotient means to divide, and of a number means x, and then you divide from the quotient 7. This means 4 minus x over 7.
So we've been talking about how to write expressions from phrases, and now we're going to go into how to write equations from phrases. And remember, an equation is going to be equal to a certain value. So this equation we have written here is 16 increased by a number is 27, and this word is right here is where my equal sign is going to be. So if I take a look at what I know we're going to start with the number 16 because my words here say 16 is increased by. So I'm starting with the 16. Increased tells me to add. 16 plus, I'm seeing those words right here, a number, which means I'm not quite sure what the value is. I'm going to make it X. The word is, we said, is equal to this number 27. So this phrase, 16 increased by a number is 27, becomes 16 plus X equals 27.
The difference of twice the number and 3 equals -4. Subtract 2x
From what? 2x and
from
what?
3.
2x, so 3 minus 2x or 2x minus 3?
2x minus 3.
Okay.
equals negative 4.
Okay, so read this to me again.
The difference of twice the number and 3 equals negative 4.
Turns into what?
Turns into 2x negative 3 equals
2x negative 3?
No, 2x subtract negative 3 equals
So
negative.
we're subtracting a negative 3? Is that a negative 3?
No, 2x subtract 3 equals negative 4.
Good.
The product of 1/2 and the number is 36. So the product means multiply. So it would be 1/2 x of, in the number, so it would be x equals 30.